In Hong Kong, transport, industry, and commercial activities, household living, and many public facilities rely on a continuous supply of energy to keep on running. The most common energy sources include tan gas, liquefied petroleum gas, and fuel oil derived from petroleum such as diesel and petrol. Recently, air pollution in Hong Kong has been getting more and more serious. The main cause of air pollution is our excessive use of fuels. A large amount of carbon dioxide is produced as a result of oil consumption by motor vehicles, factories, and power stations. If we want to maintain the equilibrium with these gases and our ecosystem, we need to plant trees over area 100 times of size of Hong Kong. Photosynthesis in trees helps remove carbon dioxide and produce oxygen. Air pollution influences the health of everybody in Hong Kong. Diseases associated with air pollution have already cost Hong Kong people billions of dollars in terms of medical expense and loss in productivity. Air pollution also influences the economic development in Hong Kong. Excessive amount of suspended particles in the air lower visibility on some days during the year. Our beautiful scenery may suddenly just fade away. Low visibility and poor air quality give tourists a bad impression in Hong Kong. This aggressively affects tourism and make more international companies reluctant to host conferences, set up regional offices, and do business in Hong Kong. Vehicle emission has been a major source of air pollution in Hong Kong. Our city is unique. A large number of buildings crammed in a small area, and an over-dependence on diesel vehicles. Diesel vehicles account for 30% of the total number of vehicles in Hong Kong, for 70% of the use of road surface. These vehicles emitted 98% of the suspended particulates in Hong Kong, as well as around 90% of the nitrogen oxide. Overcrowded tall buildings and urban centers also restrict air movement with pollutants. As a result, the urban area becomes hazy, and concentration of suspended particulate of nitrogen oxide increase to high pollution level. Therefore, diesel vehicles can be regarded as the main source of roadside air pollution in Hong Kong. One of the measures to improve roadside air quality is to replace diesel vehicles with public light buses or taxis using liquefied petroleum gas as a fuel. To ensure the viability and safety of LPG vehicles, and one-year road test was carried out on 30 taxis. It was successfully concluded in November 1998. Results of the test showed that the performance of LPG taxis was comparable to that of diesel taxis, but exhaust emission was extremely low and virtually smoke-free. A number of LPG public light buses are also being trialed. The fossil fuel we use every day will be exhausted eventually. Pollutant and harmful gases are also emitted during combustion of fuel. To avoid energy crisis and reduce environmental pollution, we should save energy in our daily life. For example, we can make more use of public transportation and reduce our use of private cars. Use more energy efficient and less polluting types of transportation, such as the railway system. Use home appliances with energy labels. Switch off lights and other energy-consuming items when not in use. If everyone in Hong Kong pay their part in saving energy, we will have fresh air and help to avoid energy crisis.